Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change profile picture on eBay on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can open eBay application on your device. After that, here you can select my eBay menu and then click on your profile here. Okay, and then click edit profile. Well, and then here you can tap pencil icon here. And then you can select choose existing photo. And then click add photo. And then you can select the image you want to set as your profile picture. Okay, and then click upload. And then here you can edit it before apply. Yeah, and then click apply at the top. And then save. Okay, and then click save here. And then your profile picture on eBay is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change profile picture on eBay on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.